So my wonderful people, I'm in this village and yep, we're in this terrain. You can see it's all sandy and yeah, so this it's around 5:04 in the PM and I've decided to take a tour. And yes, so I don't know if I've taken the correct route. Yes, but you can see into the open terrains of this place. All right, and from here I can see another stretch of traffic and trucks. And this place, man, I think we've taken the wrong route, because man, if you can see my legs, and this place, it's so sandy by the way, but let us take this difficult route. And yes, so how you doing, guys? Hope you're well, hope you're all right, hope you're doing great, hope you're doing fantastic. So yes, we're just vlogging here in Africa. Yep. And it's always fun to live here in the village, but I'm wondering, this route, it's been like 3 years since I passed through this route, and I think my choice of shoes must be the wrong choice. But yeah, so in a few we'll be open to some good sights, I know. Yes, and around this place you don't see nobody. All right. Yes, so I must rush here because it's a bit steep. Whew. Yes, and you can see that it's in the thickets. You can see even the shrubs here, they're as dry as you can think of. All right. Yeah, so excuse me, this is in the middle of the forest, and I don't know how many of you guys know this place. So this route, where we're going to, like, where we're going to, what do I say? Okay guys, where this road ends, it's in the middle of the tarmac, and this road leads to where? To Mahio, I think. I know some of you might have passed through this route, and you can see some forest cover, or some forest like cover around this place. And you can see we've come from uphill there, some birds flying, you can tell, and then the noises you can hear from this place. And then I've discovered it's like the markings, these are hooves. I don't know whether you can see, right? These are hooves, these are animal hooves. So it means that these are out for animals as well. I wonder, you can see even some animal waste here. So I don't know if they use this route all the way up or on their way down, I'm not sure. Yes. But we've decided to, like, you can see even a tree like this one, right? very natural scenes you can see. Yes, and I've decided to just take a walk, and yes, probably some of you know these routes, and you can see even safari cars over here. I don't know, we are against the sun, so I'm not sure if you can see well, but you can see in trucks. Some chaotic scene here, or some chaotic turn of events here. And the forest that I was showing you, it stretches deep down. Some scenic views, by the way. And yeah, so we've decided to trek at the expense of our good looking. You can see some drivers defying traffic rules, or probably feeling like they can't handle the weight. Yeah. Yes, and this is Africa. This is the way we live. You can see quite a number of trucks here, by the way, and men here packing sand and some construction materials. Yeah. Yep. The only problem I might have is because we are against the sun, because it's 5 in the PM and yeah, the sun is setting, and we are going against it. Yep. Yeah, and this place opens to a town center, by the way. Yeah, so guys, so one day I might consider walking down that highway and yeah, probably take some video of the sort and see where it leads and what not. So I want to end my video here, And before that, let me just show you some beautiful views over here of some, I think this is like a quarry mine. Yep. So some beautiful walls here, some natural walls here, and yes, so you can see from where we've come from. I don't know whether the camera can zoom into the lands over, and yes, so let's see. And this place is considered one of those arid areas from where it come from. You can tell from the rocks and the dust, and yes, there is some very beautiful natural walls of quarry mines, I think. Yeah guys, so I'm tired already. So guys, if you like the video, so please consider subscribing, give this video a like, man, and yeah, continue supporting your boy. Yes, so see you in the next video. I'm out. Adios, all the best.